Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So before we get started, don't forget to go down below and hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so you won't miss any more videos that I post. Just like from my last video, as promised, I said that I am going to show you how I styled my hair. This is 6 months worth of growth. Super easy, takes me maybe less than 2 to 3 minutes to do. Something I love about a TWA, I miss my long hair, but I also want to shave my hair off. Let me know what you guys think. Do you think I should shave my head back, or if you think I should grow it out to see how long it is, down in the comment section below. Not gonna ramble too long. Let's go ahead and get right into this video. Okay, first thing, we have to start off with clean hair. So my two products of choice is shampoo and conditioner. Not sure if these are something I'm gonna stay with. If you watch Bianca Renee today, she doesn't use anything that has any sulfates, silicones, parabens, phthalates, mineral oils, all that type of jazz. I've been trying to do that, especially with someone who's had cancer. I've been trying to be more mindful of what I put into my body and my husband's body and also my child's body. So these might not be the two that I use. I might go for the ones in the purple bottle. They have a whole line, so I'll be sure to link the purple ones down below. The next thing I do is deep condition. Here's the front of the bottle from Crème of Nature. I love this stuff. The honey feels so amazing, so great. It does say no sulfates and mineral oils, but I am afraid about the other things, so I'm gonna do a little bit more research. If I find a better deep conditioner that I've tried already, then I'll link it down below. But I'll also probably just link these things because some people really don't care what they put in their hair, so in case you want to try it, I do think they're really good. It's just that I'm in the process of switching over to a more organic lifestyle, not food wise, but just right now. No, not food wise right now, but more so of what I put on my body to start with. It's a transition, so we're getting there. Next thing you're gonna need, in the star of the show, water. I do have to saturate my hair every 2 to 3 days in order to get these products to activate and really work. So this is the main thing that I use. I want to add something in the bottle. If you could leave me some things down below in the comments of what I could put that's moisturizing, good for your hair. So I'll be waiting. So since we have the water bottle, I am going to start by saturating my hair. My hair is freshly washed and everything, so I put on product when I'm in the shower, so this product is probably still in there a little bit, but it's clean. Take this much. This is the consistency of it, and just put it in the palm of my hand and rub it together. Don't need I forgot to even show you guys what I'm using. I am using the Natural Curl Definition Cream by Crème of Nature. Been a staple in my product on my channel. Maybe not this one, but maybe the other one I had. So unless you're coming from there, then you probably know nothing about it. And then so now I just add the Curl Talks Not Your Mother's. This is the purple brand I was talking about from that blue. This is how much I'm using. Not that much. Sticky consistency. Rub it in the palms of my hands. Simple, easy. I do it maybe every 2 to 3 days to define my curls. I sleep with the bonnet on just to preserve it, and I also have a satin pillowcase. So yeah, that's what I'm using. I pretty much just let it dry on its own as I go throughout the day, and so it is at night. It should be dry before I go to sleep. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.